Welcome to the Chiefs Way. Now mash that subscribe button or drop and give me 50! Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how I repair my deck garden. So if you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe. Okay, what's happening is this little plastic part here, breaks over the winter when it freezes and expands. And this little bar that's supposed to keep it from expanding, breaks off and comes loose. What it's supposed to look like is over here. And this just fits down in the slot. Last year I had one break, and that was this one, and you can see I fixed it with a wire tie. This year I have two broken ones, and I'm gonna fix those with wire ties. And I'm gonna reinforce this one, but I'm gonna bring you along for the journey. So if you like this kind of content, again, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna do is just drill two small pilot holes right on either side, so that when I drill with the bigger drill bit, I'll have a place to start. All right, now I switch to a bigger drill bit. I'm going to have to drill through that hole. This drill bit I picked to be big enough so that the wire tie could go through. All right, so now it's drilled. Okay, you can see on the outside now, you can see those two holes coming through. So now I'm gonna feed through the wire tie. Okay, the wire tie is fed through. Now I'm gonna tighten it up. Okay, see, now I've got it tightened up, and you don't want to put it too tight because you got to be able to, you got to be able to fit this little bar in there. And now, look at, I'm moving it around, flexing it, and it's holding good. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do this other side real quick off camera, and then we'll come back to doing it over here on this good piece to see if we can just reinforce it. Okay, I got both sides in now, and I've already installed this other one. I put two holes in, and now I put a wire tie that goes around the plastic. So when this is in there over the winter, it's going to help support that plastic so it doesn't break. So if you have one of these deck gardens and you haven't had any broke yet, you might want to do this modification. Okay, I used black wire ties, so it really doesn't show up. I mean, if you look close you can see it, but from a distance you won't know that that's there. So if you like this kind of content and this helped you with yours, because I got this one at Menards, so there's probably tons of people that got these that's had this problem. So if this helped you, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.